Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to verify your Skrill account. Now, before we start, you will need to provide 3 items. You will need to provide a proof of your current address, a selfie, and a personal identification document. And for easy verification process, you'll need to get the Skrill application from the App Store or Play Store. And once you get it, you should give it the permissions, then simply log in into your account. And after logging in, you can see here this widget. You can verify through it, or simply if you cannot find this widget, just click on your profile icon on the top left side. It will navigate you through this page, tap on verification and features, and now simply click on verify. Once you click on verify, they will need you to provide a personal identification document. You can use your passport or even your national ID. And there is an additional option, which is a driver license. Once you choose the type of document, you should take a photo of it, and the photo should be clear, containing all the data, and all your documents must be up to date. Once you provide your documents, you will have to do a facial recognition test in order to see if you are the account holder or not. So simply click on I agree. Then you will have to take a selfie of yours. Now, when you take a selfie, just look straight into the camera and make sure that you put off any eyeglasses or anything that's actually hiding your face. Finally, you will have to verify your address. You can share your location or simply upload a proof of address. And you need to make sure that this proof has the same address of your national ID or passport or any document that you have provided before. And when choosing to share your location in order to verify your address, make sure that you are not using a VPN. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.